Hey babes, welcome back to another video, and I hope you're ready for part 2 of the Jaclynhill fall series. So, like I said, we're going to be doing individual looks like the last video. If you haven't watched the Ring the Alarm video, I will leave it down below for you to watch. Today's video is going to be the second highest voting palette, which was Dark Magic. Here she is again. Super pretty. I'm super duper excited to do a look with this one. Please support me and this channel by subscribing down below. Hit the post notification bell for notifications straight to you, as well as hit the like button to give a little love around here because we love love in this channel. And yeah, let's get into the glam. Okay, so today's video, actually, we're not going to be doing my face makeup because I'm actually going to be testing out a interesting product, and I am so excited for this. So we are going to come back and do the contour and everything, but we just won't do the actual face. We have a whole bunch of different colors to choose from here, so I'm very, very excited for this one, and this one does have a nice base tone palette here. I left in the description in the first video that we might just do at the end like a collective look using all the palettes if you happen to have the whole vault collection. Okay, and if you guys watched the Ring the Alarm video, you guys know that there I was talking about Raw Beauty Chrissy, that she barely uploaded a video. Since then, Samantha Ravindal uploaded a video. I think like more people. Danielle Mansuti uploaded a video. Tati uploaded a video. When Tati talks about something, you know it's so real. The reason I started doing YouTube was for the passion behind makeup and having a community, because we feel so alone that nobody can relate to them, so that's why this kind of started. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna link everyone's video down below so you guys can kind of, if you haven't been catching up with it, I will let you guys catch up on your own. You can't just like, you can't really ignore the subject because literally it's like everywhere and you know who everyone's talking about. Also, Marlena did a video from the brand's perspective and like intense. Anyways, back to the video. I'm gonna take the color Poof right here and use this to set the brow bone, because I like to set my brow bone with a matte color, not a shimmer color. I did order the brushes from Jaclynhill, so I should do a video on that soon. Hopefully I can do like maybe the final tutorial with it, because I just ordered them, so, and I don't think they'll be here by the next due palette. I'm gonna take the color Potion, which is this beautiful like olive green color, and I'm gonna take it on my M504 brush, and I'm gonna put this in the crease, kind of making it my transitional color. I'm also really excited for this one because supposedly like this darker one supposedly was the palette that kind of was not blending much. It was kind of being awful and whatnot, so we'll see. I'm gonna take an M513 brush and the same color, except I'm just gonna precisely add this into my crease. I mean, honestly, so far I don't really see these two shades. I don't really see them being a hot mess. And again, I'm just using the color Potion completely by itself. We might do like a cut crease. I haven't done a natural like cut crease in a while. Now I'm gonna take the color Inside Job here, and we're gonna use a M506. And this color is like a blue-green. Like that color you were always drawn to as a kid, but you know. Oh my god, you guys know what palettes I want to buy next? Emily Noel's palette from Makeup Revolution, the Emily edit. If you guys watch her, she's just so nice, and she's like so genuine, and it's a refreshing taste to like what the drama has been recently, and it's like a breath of fresh air following her and like watching her. Now that we have the cut crease carved out and we have that, I'm gonna take a really precise brush, the M250 from Morphe, and I'm gonna take the color Temptress, which is the black color down here. I'm gonna use this brush specifically because I don't want too much black. Just be sure to blend it out. So I'm gonna use the color Power Cut in the center, and then I'm gonna take like Trickery and Busted and kind of like blend it out. But yeah, I'm gonna take this color first. Trickery right there. Power Cut right over the edges and tap, and that's how you're gonna get a gradient. And now I'm gonna take the color Busted, which is a matte color, but I wanna add blue. The blue color. Color Temptress, again with the little liner brush. I'm just gonna start to really carve in here. So I have my base stuff on like I told you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm gonna take the color Mojo over here, which is one of the only shades I still haven't used. E17, and I'm gonna take the last matte we have not used, which is just gonna blow her a little bit more. I'm gonna connect the color Busted on the lower lash line as well. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and start bronzing with the Morphe R7 brush that I mentioned in my Favoritos brush video. Shadow Play, I think it's called, from the Kat Von D palette. I'm gonna take the color Sombra. Just kind of take that bar over here. I'm gonna use one of my favorite blushes at the moment, which is Desert Rose from Note. Okay, so I don't think I've explained to you guys what I'm going to be doing my trip, but in September I have already planned for me and my best friends to go hang out in Los Angeles, which I am so excited for. I've never been to California, and I am just so excited to see the land, to see everything that's in there, because I live in the Midwest, and unfortunately I don't even live in the cool parts of the Midwest like Chicago anymore. So I'm just super duper excited to kind of see everything out there. I take my Anastasia highlight with the M500 brush from Morphe. Ooh. I usually would use the same highlight, but since I brought out the Artist Couture Cocoa Bling highlight for the inner corners, because I didn't want to do anything from the actual palette. we are finally almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna just line them with curvy lip liner. Oh my gosh, I'm almost out. Okay, and for lipstick, I'm gonna take the color Nova from Kylie Jenner. These lipsticks are super duper bomb. Here is the finished look using the Dark Magic palette. Ooh, she's spicy. So, with this look that I have going on right now, the only thing that I haven't used from this palette is the shade Diversion. It's the darker metal kind of color down here, or the top row I guess, but I'm just holding it backwards. That's the only color I actually didn't use in the palette. I used every single other color in this palette in this look, just trying to try to add it in the look. Shimmers again, shimmers are beautiful. The mattes worked really well. The actual colors I wish I used more in the crease were Shh and Mojo, because they actually worked really good. Trickery is really pretty too. I really enjoyed the eyeshadow look. Again, I really didn't find anything going scratchy or splotchy or not kind of building up the color wrongly. Like I said, these eyeshadow colors are just buildable from my last palette, which I've learned from. So I do give this palette an honestly A. It's really pretty. I love these tones. Fall is coming, so definitely pick this up. It's $15. Again, you can get one for $15, or you'll save $10 if you get the Volt collection, which is $50 instead of $60. That's it. Everything for this Dark Magic makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The next one that I'm going to be doing is Bling Boss, because you guys chose it in the poll in the last video. So we're gonna do purple tones next. So I hope you guys are excited in this Vault series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit subscribe down below so you don't miss another video on the series, as well as hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a video, period. And give it a like, you know? Give it a like if you like this look. I'm about to go wash some makeup brushes, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.